Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jen J. Welcome back for another video. If you're new here, welcome. Have a seat. We're going to talk about hair. So I hope that you're excited. Today's video is going to be a week in my hair care journey. I find that a lot of us natural on YouTube, we teach you guys or show you our wash day routine, but we don't actually show you what we do throughout the week. And I think that's actually really important. There's a bit of a disconnect here because you could follow somebody's routine, let's say wash day routine on the weekend, and then what do you do with your hair after that? You know what you're doing. You're lost for the week until you wash again. So I'm going to continue to make these little videos to show you guys what I do to my hair during the week because I think it's actually really important. This is where the hair care part comes in. This is where the maintenance comes in because that's going to determine if your hair is going to dry up and break off or if you're going to retain your length. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Before we get started, as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, sis, and the bell so you get notified every single time your girl uploads a new video. Also follow me on Instagram where I post all of my makeup looks, more hair care tips, pictures of my hair. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then follow me over there. So our story began June 26 with this twist out. I didn't think that it was such a great style, but you guys loved it. So the style itself was short-lived, but this is what I ended up doing the next day. Just fluffed it out and went about my business. If you saw my last video, then you saw the twist out that I did. It wasn't a fail, but it wasn't the best style. This is what happened with it. This is 2 days later. So when I did the twist out, I did it for a specific purpose because that evening I was going to host a masterclass with curls. So I wanted my hair to look kind of cute, but I was supposed to do a style during the masterclass. So the twist out was short-lived. That's okay. I mean, no hard feelings. She's gonna be all right. And then I kind of just put my hair in a bonnet, went to sleep, and this is 2 days later. My hair is feeling quite dry, I'm not going to lie. It's not too bad, but it could definitely use some moisture. So this is what I'm going to do in the shower. You guys know I like to kind of wet my hair in the shower and then seal in the moisture afterwards. So that's what we're going to do. This is my hair, basically. My edges, y'all. I need to start taking care of my edges, I think. I probably should start doing that. Look how much hair I have now. It's kind of crazy, isn't it? Okay, well, let's go shower. Alright, so this is me outside of the shower. And I don't feel like doing this anymore. I know you can relate, but I already started the process, so I might as well finish. Because I want to be extra lazy, I'm just going to be using the melanin leave-in conditioner. Sometimes, you know, that's all you need. So this is, oh, I should show you. This is what my hair is like. Oh, isn't she beautiful? She looks so good. I love when my hair is like this. All right. So let me do this quickly because it's midnight and nobody got time for that, and I don't need to make this video super long. And I know some of you guys are like, oh my god, you're gonna get so many knots. What are you doing? I'll show you what I'm doing. See how I'm like stretching my hair out? It's gonna get like bigger in front of your eyes. That's because my hair wasn't fully wet in the shower, although I did go a little overboard, but I needed the moisture. My hair felt really dry, so don't be afraid to give your hair water. Okay, where are you focusing? Don't be afraid to moisturize your hair, you guys. I'd rather lose the style and have moisturized hair than have dry hair with a cute style. Oh, you guys, my ends. Okay, I just want to point out that I didn't really want to do this, but it took me less than 10 minutes to do. So you have no excuse as to why you don't care for your hair. Just give her 10 minutes 3 times a week. This is the amount of hair that came out. That's it. So this is the day that I finally decided to give myself a well-needed trim, you guys. You saw my ends in the previous clips and they had to go. If you want to see the full video on how I trim my ends, I will link it down below. Alright, so I don't really know what today is. Today's Friday, but in terms of this little timeline of what I'm doing with my hair, I will figure it out and put it on the screen. But hello, hi, welcome to my bathroom. We are going to quickly moisturize our hair. So we have our little water, leave-in conditioner, and oil spray bottle. This is my little quick fix on, you know, when I want to moisturize my hair, but I really don't want to spend too much time moisturizing. Typically, this process starts in the shower though, so I would wet my hair in the shower. But I showered earlier today and I did wet my hair in the shower, but I did not seal the moisture. So of course my hair feels dry now. So I'm gonna go the real lazy way. Just use the water from the sink. I know. I am probably just going to create a mess doing this, to be honest. But I really just want to get some good moisture like on my ends, you know? And you can't get that without water. I mean, that's about it. I don't even need to wet my hair too much. And I'm gonna follow up with my little leave-in conditioner situation. Squeeze that through. My hair is feeling nice. I could use a little bit more oil. You know what? I'm gonna add a bit more oil on my ends. I did trim my ends a couple of days ago, so they feel really, really good. If you didn't see that video, I will link it down below in the cards where you can find it. All right, so here we are, just a little bit of almond, just a bit of almond oil. I'm just going to put this right on my ends. just in case my hair gets any ideas, you know. Not today, boo-boo, not this summer. We are going to be moisturized all summer long to protect my ends, especially now that I got myself a nice fresh trim. It is the perfect time to care for my ends. I have this Grace Leah cap. You guys, I have all of these things that I don't use. Anyways, I'm just gonna stuff my hair in here and call it a night. There we go. I hope you guys are doing well. Have a good night. Alright, so that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it gives you an idea of how I care for my hair during the week. Keep in mind, we are still in quarantine. I mean, I am. I don't really go anywhere. I'm still working from home, so I don't really have to style my hair per se. But it gives you an idea of how I moisturize my hair throughout the week so that my hair stays moisturized. Especially right now, I am trying to really get down with moisture so that, you know, when I get out of quarantine, especially in the summer, then my hair is moisturized. Dry hair is not cute, sis, okay? So I'm really trying to stay on top of my moisture so that I retain my length and that I look real cute when it's time to go outside, okay? I hope this video was helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Oh, and I should mention that today is July 5th and I actually haven't washed my hair yet. My hair is still in those little twists. I just kind of like tossed this on, you know, trying to look real cute. I'm trying. I didn't wash my hair. I should have washed this weekend, but I didn't. It's okay. It happens to the best of us. Probably gonna be washing tomorrow. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. If I don't, then I'm just going to continue to moisturize my hair until my next wash day. And that's very important. If you don't wash your hair as consistently as you would like to, just keep moisturizing. Don't just ignore her until you eventually wash. That's a recipe for disaster. Just keep moisturizing until your next wash day. Okay, bye.